Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back downtown LA for BeautyCon. As my hair has gotten longer, I know that I've experienced it being a lot harder. It's a lot more to manage. It's a lot more to deal with when you have so much length. It's just a lot to style when you have really long locks. So I wanted to give this quick tip. If you're having trouble styling your really long locks, put them in braids first, okay? So this doesn't only apply to people with really long locks. This also applies to people with a lot of locks. If you have like a large quantity of locks, it can also be difficult to style. When you put your hair in braids, you have less hair to manage. I mean, technically it's the same amount of hair, but because they're in braids, it's a lot less to deal with. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So since I have my hair in braids, I will be doing an updo to take some pictures, but then I really want to take this hair down because you may know I'm tender-headed and my scalp is just asking for some relief. I'm gonna take some pictures with my new infinity head wraps, which are available now. You guys have asked for cheetah or leopard prints and I've delivered. So we have different animal prints as well as a few other designs. I have the link below, KeishaCharmaine.com/shop. All right, thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.